Hello and welcome to another video from Plodware. In this video we're going to have a quick look at using the Adafruit Ft232H breakout board to drive a direct digital synthesis chip, the ad9850, which I believe is manufactured by Analog Device. The board is actually, I believe, of Chinese manufacture and is labeled the HC-SR08. We're going to use it to create a few fixed frequencies, a little audio sweep generator. We'll play all 88 notes of a piano. Just for fun, we'll play a major key scale and a minor key scale, and then we'll hook it all up to a shortwave receiver and do a radio frequency sweep generator. We'll be using the GPIO capabilities of the FT232. To make the demo run, if you want to do it yourself, you're going to need a PC running Microsoft Windows 7 or 10 or 11, a device driver for the FT232H chip, which you can get from ftdichip.com. I'll give you some more details about that in a minute or two's time. You'll also need the freeware interpreter, pwscripter from my website, and a customizing script for this demo. There is a disclaimer, a specific disclaimer. I have no connection whatsoever with any of the companies identified in red in the white box. My understanding is that Shenzhen Sunshine Sea Technology Corporation is the manufacturer of the HC-SR08 board. I have no connection with any of these companies, their employees, representatives, or subsidiaries. And this video is not sponsored. There is a disclaimer with this video. The video is for informational and educational use only. If you decide to use any of the components of this video, which are the WriteTech and Plodware applications, command scripts and documentation, then you do so at your own risk. There is a disclaimer with this video. The video is for informational and educational use only. If you decide to use any of the components of this video, which are the WriteTech and Plodware applications, command scripts and documentation, then you do so at your own risk. I'll just introduce myself. I'm a retired telecoms engineer and I've been programming since 1971-72. But that's enough about me. The demo. Let's dive in. Right, let's run the demo. Lights, camera, software. We can make that a little bit bigger. I've already downloaded the little script and put it into the edit panel. You might notice I've added over here a little meter. It's rectified, so it only works with DC. I've connected it up to the output, so if the output of this generator is slow, like 2 or 3 hertz, then we'll see the needle clicking across. Right. Let's apply power. plug in the USB-C. And let's go to the script and run it as far as the first stop. Execute. And there it's stopped. And check the output for 2 pulses per second. And yes, we can see the little LED, little meter flicking left and right. Now we will create a middle C and then play it for half a second. Double the frequency, play it, double the frequency, and we'll play middle C and 3 octaves above it. Let's move this down a little bit. And there we'll play middle C, 1 octave above, another octave, another octave. So we'll put the mouse after the last stop and then execute from here. Okay. Now we'll make an audio sweep or a sweep generator. Now we'll get it to step from 0 Hz to 4 kHz in steps of a half Hz. So to do that, we call the sweep generator function, start at 0, step of 0.5 Hz, do it 8,000 times. So execute from here. And it's finished. Now what we'll do is we'll play all of the 88 notes found on a piano. Let's set up the software, and here we go. And done. Let's play around, play a major key. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now we'll do a minor key. No, a minor oh dear, terrible thing to say. A small difference between the two. Now we'll do a little bit of a reconfiguration. I'm going to connect up a shortwave receiver, connect its audio to our input, and we'll set it to the sweep generator to do 3.8 megahertz up to 3.804 megahertz in 1 hertz steps. Right. Here we go. Execute from here. Not too sure what that wow, wow, wow sound or where it comes from. Let's do the same thing now, but we'll do it in 2 kilohertz steps. This time I'll simply click on the command we want to execute. Execute the selection. And that's it. We'll turn the noise off. And that's the end of the demo. My thanks for your time. Until the next video. Cheers.